The storage tank is in the shape of a cylinder with a hemisphere on the top. The highest point on the inside of the storage tank is 13 meters above the floor of the storage tank, and the diameter inside the cylinder is 8 meters. Determine and state to the nearest cubic meter the total volume inside the storage tank. So looking at this, we're going to have to find the volume of this total shape, and this composite figure is sharing a surface between the cylinder and the hemisphere. So I notice that the diameter is 8, so that means the radius of the hemisphere is also going to equal to 4. And the height of this hemisphere is also going to equal to 4 because the radius is going to be uniform all throughout the hemisphere. Because the radius from the center to the very, very top of the tank is 4, then that means the total height of the cylinder will be 4 less than 13, which is going to be 9. So to find the volume of this entire figure, we're going to find the volume of the hemisphere, which is 1/2 of 4/3 pi times the radius, which is 4, to the third. And we're going to add this with the volume of the cylinder, right? So the volume of the cylinder is area of the base times the height. So the area of the base is pi times r, which is 4 squared. That's the area of the circle, times the height, which is 9. I'm just going to simplify this down just a little bit so that when I enter it into the calculator, it will just be a little smooth, right? So notice that 4 and 4/3, 4 to the third, 4 times 4 to the third gives me 4 to the fourth. And the 2 and a 3 gives me a 6. And over here, I have pi times 4 squared times 9. I'm going to enter this into the calculator because there's really no need for us to do any further manipulation since the question is asking us to state our answer to the nearest cubic meter, right? So let's go to our graphing calculator. So I'm going to clear this. So I have 4 to the fourth times pi divided by 6 plus pi times 4 squared times 9. That will give me 586.4, but to the nearest cubic meter, that would be 586. So I'm looking at a volume of approximately 586 cubic meters.